best things about Cloud Summit is the international presence. We have another customer from across the pond. Nick, nice to see you.
Nice to see you too.
Tell us a little bit about yourself, your company, and what brought you all the way from England over here.
Sure, so my name's Nick East. I'm the CEO of a company called Zynstra. We deliver cloud managed server appliances. We deliver essentially a pre-staged private cloud that we deliver to customers' premises and integrate it and manage it back from the public cloud. We are partnered with Ingram in the UK, very well supported by the Ingram UK team. And the reason we came over here was because we're looking now to aggressively grow our market opportunity in the US. So we came here partly as sort of market intelligence, listen to what partners are doing out here, make sure that we've got our product fit for market, and also to get some support from the Ingram Cloud team out here.
Is this your first Cloud Summit?
It's the first time I've been here, yeah.
Okay, and it's interesting that you said that you came over here because you were looking to aggressively grow the market. So you moved beyond the whole idea of what is the cloud.
Oh yeah, absolutely. Yeah, no. Well, as a vendor of a cloud solution, that's really all we do. And we found that the take-up in the UK for our products is growing very rapidly. We deliver indirect, always two-channel. So as I say, over here, what we wanted to see was if the proposition plays in the same way, any adjustments we might need to make to the product, listen and talk to the sorts of partners that we would expect to deliver the product, and make sure we've got it fit for purpose. And what's really nice is that the problems all seem to be the same problems. The challenges that our partners in the UK meet with cloud services are the same ones that we help them resolve. So that's good news for me, it's good news for our team.
Tell me about some of those problems and some of those challenges.
Well, the classic problems for our partners selling cloud services, well, there's several, I guess. Performance, if they have the right level of network connectivity, the right bandwidth, the right latency. Security, classic questions around data sovereignty, what's operated inside the firewall, what's operated outside. And then that one of control. You're handing over control of parts of your solution into an outsourced partner. And actually those are the three things that we focus on for partners to resolve. We give them that capability, we give them the ability to run their cloud components with pieces of the data running behind the firewall, but managed as a cloud solution.
And yet there seems to be obviously a comfortability factor with Ingram Micro as far as alleviating those concerns, whether it's security and so forth. What separates Ingram Micro from the competition with regard to that?
Well, I think, it was discussed a lot today in the keynote sessions. I think there's been some impressive vetting of the cloud solutions. So I think what the cloud services team here have done is made sure that the solutions that they bring forward are well organized commercially, they have good support, they comply with all the right regulations, and that stops the partners from having to go and individually select and individually vet each of the cloud solutions that they might need to bring to market. So I think that's one of the things that I haven't really seen any other partners do in such an effective way. And then likewise, the cloud portal, the ability for the partner who's already has a trading relationship with Ingram Micro to be able to extend that into the portfolio of cloud services through that cloud portal, makes the process of transition very easy for them. I think one of the challenges that we also hear from our partners is the challenge of being able to, first of all, transition their sales organization, the commission plans, over to a managed services model if they're used to a traditional sort of box shifting, a traditional resale model. And I think that's also where Ingram has a very good story and a very good support for being able to get partners to move their kind of business model and give them some training and some coaching how to move their compensation plans over to a cloud-based and annuity-based model.
I want to talk one final question about the slogan here, and that's Rise Above. You see it all around. It's been sort of integrated into some of the keynotes and so on. What does Rise Above mean to you?
Interesting question. So to me, we're trying to make our partners more competitive. There's a lot of hype in the cloud. There's also a lot of sameness. There's very little differentiation, and I think it's quite hard for a channel partner who's delivering IT services to sort of rise above the competition, to stand out and deliver something that's price competitive, but also delivers a different value proposition. That's what it means to me. I think that's what we're doing, and that's what I sort of see from what Ingram are trying to do, trying to differentiate themselves from regular distribution by rising above the competition. So that's how I see it.
Very good. Okay.
All right.
Thank you for stopping by.
No problem.
Show your time here in Florida.
Thanks a lot. Yeah.